Does your car feel like it's having a seizure the moment you turn the key on a cold morning? You sit there watching your breath fog up the air, and the steering wheel is vibrating so hard your hands are shaking. The RPM needle is bouncing wildly, and the engine sounds like it's choking. It's terrifying, and it usually calms down once the car warms up, but then it comes back to haunt you at every red light. Most people immediately panic. They assume the engine is on its last legs, the transmission is slipping, or the timing belt is about to snap. Mechanics might tell you that you need expensive tune-ups, new spark plugs, or a completely new mass airflow sensor, but often the engine itself is perfectly fine. The real villain here is pirate air. Your car's computer is obsessed with counting every molecule of air that enters the engine to mix it with fuel. When air sneaks in through a back door, the computer doesn't know it's there. It provides the wrong amount of fuel, causing that violent shaking and rough idle because the engine is literally starving for gas relative to the air it's getting. So why is it worse in the morning? It comes down to a simple rubber ring called the intake manifold gasket. Over years of heat cycles, this soft rubber turns into hard, brittle plastic. When your car sits overnight and gets cold, that plastic shrinks, opening a gap. That gap lets unmetered air rush in. As the engine warms up, the heat expands the gasket and seals the leak, masking the problem until the next cold start. This issue is famously common on workhorses like the GM 3.8-liter V6 and the Toyota Corolla. These engines can run for decades, but their seals cannot. This gasket often costs less than $10. A shop might charge you a fortune for diagnostics, but the fix is just replacing a dried-out rubber band that separates your intake from the engine block. Before you authorize a $1,000 repair or sell the car out of frustration, ask for a smoke test. It takes 5 minutes and will reveal the vacuum leak immediately. Don't let a $10 piece of cold plastic trick you into thinking your car is dead. Swap the gasket, and your cold starts will be smooth as silk again.